Deepfake technology is becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it more difficult to distinguish between fake and genuine footage. This is a serious concern as deepfakes could be used to spread misinformation, damage reputations, or even interfere with elections. Welcome to Why India News Hour. Deepfake AI is a type of artificial intelligence used to create convincing images, audio and video hoaxes. Deepfakes often transform existing source content where one person is swapped for another. They also create entirely original content where someone is represented doing or saying something they didn't do or say. The development of deepfakes is becoming easier, more accurate with the arrival of newer technology includes GAN, neural network technology is used in the development of all deepfake content using generator and discriminator algorithms. Convolutional neural networks CNN analyze patterns in visual data. CNNs are used for facial recognition and movement tracking. Autoencoders are a neural network technology that identifies the relevant attributes of a target such as facial expressions and body movements and then imposes these attributes onto the source video. Natural language processing is used to create deepfake audio. NLP algorithms analyze an attributes of a target's speech and then generate original text using those attributes. High-performance computing is a type of computing that provides the significant necessary computing power required by deepfakes. There are a number of ways to try to detect deepfakes, but it is becoming increasingly difficult. Some of the telltale signs of a deepfake include number 1, unnatural facial movements. Deepfakes often have unnatural facial movements such as blinking too much or too little or having mismatched facial expressions. Number 2, poor lip syncing. In some cases, the lip syncing in a deepfake may be off, making it clear that the audio has been manipulated. Number 3, skin tones and textures. Deepfakes can sometimes have unnatural skin tones or textures as the AI is not able to perfectly replicate human skin. Number 4, inconsistent lighting. Inconsistent lighting can be a sign that a video has been manipulated. With the AI tools becoming more accessible, deepfakes are a rising threat in audio, video and photo formats. Catching the actual perpetrators of deepfakes can be difficult as they often use sophisticated techniques to hide their identities and tracks. However, as deepfake technology continues to improve, it is becoming increasingly difficult to spot these telltale signs. This is why it is important to be critical of everything you see online and to use multiple sources of information to verify and claims that seem too good to be true. Let's look into today's headlines. Cisco announces new insight and visibility for modern applications on AWS. Cisco has announced new business metrics in Cisco Cloud Observability, powered by the Cisco Observability platform to enhance businesses' context for modern applications running on AWS. This latest release also supports integration with AWS services and application performance monitoring correlation and provides end-to-end visibility into the performance of cloud-native applications. Traditional application monitoring tools only provide visibility of application and infrastructure performance metrics. Genpact unveils playbook for scaling generative AI projects. Genpact has launched an industry-first playbook, FMOPS, the Generative AI Imperative for Production. The playbook, which focuses on foundation model operations, provides practical guidelines for building solid and efficient foundations for generative AI solutions. Developed in collaboration with NASSCOM, the playbook delves into the fundamentals of FMOPS. The playbook also provides detailed discussions on FMOPS, large language model operations, and machine learning operations. OpenAI may not offer board seat to Microsoft other investors. Despite having made a massive investment in OpenAI, Microsoft does not have a seat on the company's board, and it is likely to remain the way it is. OpenAI, the AI chatbot's mainstream, is reportedly not planning to give seats on its new board to investors. While the new board hasn't been finalized, it is unlikely to add members from shareholders. Meta announces new AI rules for general elections next year. Weeks after announcing that the company will not allow political advertisers to use its generative AI ads tools for campaigning during elections, Facebook parent company Meta is making it mandatory for advertisers to disclose information when they have used AI to alter images and videos in certain political ads. The news comes as multiple countries including the US, India, Indonesia and Mexico will head to the polls next year. UK regulator says Adobe's acquisition of Figma could harm market. Britain's competition regulator says that Adobe's $20 billion acquisition of Figma, cloud-based designer platform, could potentially harm innovation in the digital design market in the UK. The regulator launched an in-depth investigation after Adobe refused to offer concessions to ease its concerns. The probe found that the deal would eliminate competition and remove Figma as a threat to Adobe's flagship Photoshop and Illustrator products. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.